day everyone, my name is Jim, founder of jttechtronicssdnbhd. We are the design manufacturer house for LED display panels. In front of us, this is the safety scoreboards. Let's start our tutorial today. On the top, this plant has worked 300 without a lost time. And the down one is the previous highest record, 450 days. So let's start our tutorial today. So this is the keypad. Just plug the cat 5. Where I can see this is a white color button is for the mode. Press and hold for 5 seconds. It will go to the blinking section. The white color is represent the front numbers, and the black color button is represent the numbers, and red color button the second number, the last one. So after you do the setting, press and hold, go to the 450. So as usual, 1000, 100, 10 and 1. After you edit, press and hold. That's it. Thank you for watching.